Hey, welcome to another day. So today we gonna something different practice and it will be so amazing. You just have to be watch this video, not only watch this video completely, you have to all ears here. Okay? So just because this practice will be related to your daily practice is because daily practice is the real secret behind fluent English speaking. Today again, we are going to learn English through our real life situations so that speaking English feels natural and easy for you. Remember, don't just listen, speak loudly with me. Copy my pronunciation, speed, tone, and emotions because emotions, pronunciation, speed matters a lot when you want to speak so that your pronunciation, your emotion shows your confidence and also your tone, voice tone, speed. These all things shows your confidence. So today's story is about going to the market. Yesterday evening, I needed some vegetable and groceries for the house. So I decided to go to the market. Then first I got ready and picked up my bag. Then I checked my wallet and took some money with me before leaving the house because whenever we gonna somewhere, so that time we need money. So then I locked the door carefully. Now here's many sentences I have just gave you. So you have to be repeat after me because I'm gonna share these sentences again, not into the paragraph, according to the sentences. First, I'm going to the market. I picked up my bag. I checked my wallet. I locked the door carefully. Very good. Next, then I walked outside and started moving towards the market. The weather was pleasant and many people were walking on the road. Some children were playing near the park and a few shopkeepers were arranging their products. While walking, I started speaking in English inside my mind. There's no one that with whom I started speaking in English. There's only I. So I just started speaking in English inside my mind. Then, like, I'm walking to the market. These sentences I were thinking, okay, that I'm walking to the market. The road is crowded. People are buying vegetables. The weather feels nice today. So after a few minutes, I reached the vegetable shop. The shopkeeper smiled and asked, "What would you like to buy?" Then I replied, "I need tomatoes, potatoes, onion, and green chilies." The shopkeeper quickly started putting vegetable into a bag. Then I asked, "How much do I need to pay?" He told me the price and I paid him politely. I want to reveal the price here. Okay. So now repeat after me slowly and clearly again. Just I'm gonna share these one paragraph with you. I need some vegetable. Please give me 1 clove tomato. How much is this? Here is the money. Thank you. Again faster. You can practice these sentences. First we practice these sentences slowly, then fast. I need some vegetable. Please give me 1 kilo of tomatoes. How much is this? Excellent. Then I went to another shop to buy bread, milk, and tea packets. The shop was crowded, so I waited patiently for my turn. While standing there, I observed people carefully. Some people were speaking confidently, while others looked shy and quiet. I observed these things there. At that moment, I realized something important. Confidence improves when we communicate more with people. Yes, when you communicate to another person, to other person, no matter that is he and she. Yes, even a small conversation help us become better speaker. Not talking about the big conversation and lot of conversation, not at all, not for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 and 30 minutes, 1 hour, not at all. You don't need this time conversation. You just need only that 5 minutes. You just give the 5 minutes to yourself to convert someone small conversation. If you are unable to speak long sentences, complex sentences, advanced sentences, no matter. You just use basic sentences, basic English, and small sentences. Got it? So instead of staying silent, I decided to practice English confidently. I greeted the shopkeeper politely and asked simple questions in English. Yes, yeah, I know that I can speak very well, but here I'm just gonna share the video, share this story about my learning time. Okay, even though my English was not perfect, I continued speaking confidently, and honestly, the conversation felt good. Now let's practice some useful daily life lessons. First, I am buying groceries. I'm waiting for my turn. The shop is crowded today. I need milk and bread. Please give me a carry bag. Again, I'm buying groceries. The shop is crowded today. Please give me a carry bag. Very good. Now, let's do fast shadowing practice together. Speak continuously without stopping. You have to speak continuously without stopping. Got it? So daily conversation help us improve spoken English naturally because they teach us how to communicate in real life situations. Small interactions at shop, market, or public places improve confidence, sentence formations, pronunciation, and listening skills together. The more we practice speaking during daily activities, the less fear we feel while communicating with others. Yes, fluency develops slowly through repetition, confidence, and consistent real life speaking practices. Yes. Now, the again, you have to be just practice with my emotions, voice modulations, confidence, and positive energy. Okay, here I'm gonna share some daily use sentences that will boost your confidence. That will be something like affirmations. Okay, so note down these affirmations in your notebook. First, I speak confidently every day. I enjoy talking in English. I learn from every conversation. I'm becoming fluent speaker and naturally. I believe in myself. Yes, these affirmations You have to be just repeat every day, in the morning, in the noon, and also in the night. Yes, because these affirmations will help to build your confidence, to repeat your sentences, to repeat your thing that you are the somewhere, you are on the path of spoken classes and fluency. Got it? So now we will see in the next video. Till then, you just share this video to your friends and on your Instagram stories, Facebook story, on your status. Okay, bye, take care.